This power strip is very practically designed. It provides additional USB ports and AC outlets without blocking other outlets. The 3 AC outlets are spaciously separated so I can use all of them even if I plug in the bulkiest adapters. The smartphone holder is convenient and keeps my phone from falling. The 3 USB ports charge my mobile devices fast. The power strip has a soft LED indicator light that won't bother your sleep. Here are the specifications of the power strip. As you see, the NTONPOWER USB power strip is a convenient way to convert an AC outlet into a practical charging station.